Hey you guys, today I want to show you my Tory Burch Lee Radziwill bag in size Petite. I think she is one of the most beautiful, cutest little bags. I want to talk about what I love about this bag and also what makes this one a little bit different than the one that just came out. So let's start with some of my favorite details. First of all, the contrasting handle. I love the soft brown leather handle mixed with this kind of tan suede on the ends. It's structured, but this leather is so premium and soft. This one does not have feet. You'll notice the new one does. And the shape of the new one is a little bit longer. It's more rectangle than this square look. It also has a black handle, and the stitching on the new one is all black. So this one has the contrasting white. And I just think it's really beautiful. The other thing on the new bag, it doesn't have these rings. These were added so you could wear it as a crossbody, but I don't think anyone used it like that. I know when I wear a crossbody, I use these little rings here. Here's what it looks like if I just wear it on my arm like this, or a lot of times I'll just grab it and put this. Let me put the crossbody on, you can see where it hits. So another thing to know about the strap in the new bag, they changed the hooks. For the one I have, you actually have to turn it like this to add it on. The new one has a different clasp, which I think is easier, and this isn't difficult, but I think they modified it so it's a little bit easier to get on and off. So I put this on, and again, I did not use the rings in the back. I just wear it like this. Okay, so this is where it hits me if I wear crossbody. Super cute, and it's just a great size. I'm 5'4", so you can see it's just easier to be hands-free. So I'm going to take these off, and I'll just want to show you one more thing, which I think makes this bag just so adorable and really high end, and that is the way it closes. It has this like belt looking strap on it, and these just come, they're just magnets, so they pull apart, but it's actually really cute to wear it like this, and I wear it like this a lot. And this is one thing I've heard is also modified in the newer version, that if the bag is full, they don't stick out as much as they do on this bag. They kind of hang a little bit nicer. This doesn't bother me. I still love it, and I usually pack this bag pretty full. But I think it's just a really cute look. Lastly, the new version does not have the divider. I have the dust bag in here too, but it does not have the divider, and the inside suede is also a different color. Now, if you want to grab this style, you can get it pre-loved. If you grab it from the site though, you can get the new version, which is all black stitching, black handle, black sides, and a little bit of a different shape, but you cannot go wrong with these bags. They're so cute, and they're just a really high-end bag. I think for the price point that you can get them at, you're getting a really great luxury bag.